Hello everyone, welcome to Design Tutorials. Today we will learn how to create a neon effect in Procreate. So I will be teaching you two ways. The first one will be through bloom effect and second one will be through Gaussian blur. So let's begin with the first way. So this text effect I have made through bloom effect. So we will create a new layer and fill the color with black. Now add text and select the color, any bright color, maybe red. Okay, and add text and actions. Add text. I'll type design. Okay, and just resize it. Now I'll pressurize it and duplicate the layer. Now I will select this adjustments and select the layer and change the brightness to 100%. Now it will change it to white. Now the bottom layer, select the bottom layer and select this adjustments and go to bloom effect. Select the layer. Now slide to adjust and you will notice a red color. Now adjust the size and the burn and you will see the neon effect, the red neon effect. As you can see, when I'm adjusting the size, it is changing the effect. So the bloom is 98.9% and the size is 26% and burn is 59% and the transition is set to max. Now I'll duplicate this layer and the duplicated layer I'll change the opacity. I'll add and select overlay. Okay, now you can see the effect, the previous one and this one. So this is the design with the neon effect. So I'll tell you the second way also. Now I'll group this and show you the second way. So in the second way I'll select new layer and fill again the layer with black color, because after black color only you can see the neon effect. So I'll draw a circle in this, select any bright color, suppose white, yellow. Okay, and select the brush, monoline brush or any other brush. Draw a perfect circle by putting another finger on the tab. Now you can duplicate this layer. No, we have to create the circle on another layer. Now you have to duplicate the layer and on the duplicate layer select Gaussian blur and adjust it so you can see the effect. Now the Gaussian blur layer, you have to duplicate this 4 or 5 times so you can see and merge them. Now select the top layer and change it to white. And drag this color to the layer. So this is also the second way. By this, I think the second way is much easier comparatively to the first way. So I like the second way. And you can tell me in the comment section below which way you like the most, and see you later and bye bye till then.